How to change your primary email address on LinkedIn. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. The first step is to open up any web browser. Now you want to search for linkedin.com. Here you want to sign into your account. Once you have been signed into your account, you want to click on the option of Me. From this drop-down menu, select the option of Settings. Now you want to click on Sign in and Security option. Then from here, click on Email address. As you can see, your current primary address is over here. Now you want to click on the option of Add Email Address. Now enter the code that was sent to your current email address and click on the Submit option. Now enter your new email address and enter your LinkedIn password. Then click on the Submit option. Once you do that, your email address will now be added. Now you will first of all have to verify your new email address. After verifying it, you want to click on the option of Make Primary. Now enter your LinkedIn password one more time for security, and as you can see, your primary email address has been changed and your prior email address has become your secondary email. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.